Learning target 37E-2 asks us to increase or decrease a number by a certain percentage. So in 12A, we're supposed to decrease 40 by 18%. Two ways we can look at it. First, you could figure out what 18% of 40 is. And when you do that, 18% of 40 is 7.2. But we're supposed to decrease 40 by that much. So if we take 40 minus the 7.2, we end up getting 32.8. Another way to think about that is to say, well, this is 100% of my value. If I decrease that by 18%, I retain 100% minus 18%, or I keep 82% of the value. Well, what's 82%, 0.82, of 40? You get the same thing, 32.8. 12B, Lakeville already has 500 iPads in schools. They hope to increase that number by 30% by 2014. How many iPads do they hope to have by 2014? Two ways we can think about it. One way is to say, well, what is 30% out of 500? So 500 is the total number of iPads. What's 30% of that? 500 times 30 divided by 100 ends up being 150. So we're going to try to increase the number of iPads by 150. Add that to the original 500. 500 plus 150, you've got a total of 650 iPads. Another way to think about this, though, I think it's a little easier. You say 500, that's 100% what I'm starting with. I'm going to increase that by 30%. Well, if you got 100% and you increase by 30%, now you're at 130% of your original value, 500. 130% as a decimal is 1.3. Of means times 500. And when you do that, you get the same answer, 650 iPads.